안녕하세요. Hey everyone. konnichiwa. 大家好. Today, welcome back to another video focusing on how to pronounce numbers, 숫자, Mongol, and 数字. In English, my native tongue, Korean, 한국어, Japanese, Nihongo, and Mandarin, Hanyu, three languages I studied in depth at university. So there are many similarities between them. I will just be reading them for you. For Korean, be warned, there are different number sets, 2, used for different reasons. I can make another video on that. Let's get started. In English, we have 0. 0. Korean, 영. 영. 공. 공. And zero. zero from English. 마르. 마르. 레. le, zero, zero, and in Mandarin, ling, ling, going up, ling. Then we have the number 1, 1, il, il, 하나, 하나, 이치, 이치, 이, 이. Then number 2, 2, E, oh, why am I doing that in a tone? E, 둘, 둘, ni, ni, and in Mandarin we say R, going down, R. On to number 3, 3, we have in Korean, 삼, 삼, and 셋, 셋. Japanese, 산, 산. In Mandarin, 산. They all sound the same, don't they? 산, flat tone there. 산. And let's now take a look at number 4. 4. We say in Korean, 사, 사. And 넷, 넷. 시, 시. And 연, 연. 스, 스. Going down, 스. And then we have number 5. We say 5. 오, 오. 다섯, 다섯. 거, 거. And in Mandarin, 우우. Third tone, 우우, 우우. Then we have the number 6, 6. 육, 육. 여섯, 여섯. 럭개, 럭개. 려, going down, 려, 려. And now moving on to number 7. 7. We say 칠, 칠, or 일곱, 일곱. 시치, 시치, or 나나, 나나. Mandarin, 치 with the flat tone, 치, 치. And next we have number 8. 8. 팔 with the aspirated P sound there. 팔. 여덟. This is hard to say, so I'll say it a few times. 여덟. 여덟. Then 하치. 하치. And in Mandarin, 바 with the flat tone again. 바. 바. Next on to number 9. 9. We say 구, 구. 아홉, 아홉. Then 구, or 기, 기, 기. Mandarin, jiao. Third tone, jiao, jiao. And next, let's take the last number, 10. We say 10 in English or 10 in Korean. 10 or 열. 열. Japanese 10. 10. And finally Mandarin 10 going up. 10. 10. So thank you for listening. If you have any questions, right? 질문 in Japanese, 问题 in Mandarin, and 질문 in Korean, just let me know. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.